This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry McGinn. First showings at open house. Lakewood Park. 3-half CBS split-plan home with open farmer's porch features a cabinet-packed oak kitchen, including pan drawers providing ample storage and a large walk-in pantry. The light and bright kitchen opens to the great room for easy gatherings. Newly installed luxury vinyl flooring throughout the main space and one bedroom. The rear porch is closed-in, block construction, and would make a great home office. Large yard with plenty of space for a pool and outside activities. The Lakewood Park neighborhood is a voluntary HOA and consists of approximately 4,000 homes and 25 lakes throughout the community. The parks feature walking trails, playgrounds and Lakewood Park Community Pool. For more information, review the details below.